Alright guys, this is our new project car. Alright, what's in the engine, Miguel?
As far as we know, there's Cobra upper and lower intake. There's Cobra rockers. I don't remember what they were. We'll get this open.
Yeah, they were like performance rockers.
And the reason why he had that in there, the guy who previously owned this, was he installed a big cam. I'm not sure how big. I'm not sure what the specs are of it, but that's why he had to go with the 1.6 rockers or something like that. So
It's got some nice little shiny headers there.
Yeah, BBK all the way from front to back.
Little exhaust over there.
Oh, and aluminum heads. These are not the iron heads. They're aluminum. I'm not sure what heads those are though.
It's pretty cool though.
So hopefully this thing will make some power. And on top of that, it had the coilovers all around. It has the K-member, tubular K-member with some the A-arms. Got the adjustable camber up here, whatever they're called. Alright, so let's find out what rockers he had. There it is. Oh, then the SVO is 1.60.
We might go turbos on this, huh?
Oh,
Maybe?
Yeah, that's right. He did say it was ready for turbos.
He did?
Yeah, he did.
Alright, so apart from that, the rear end, we're going to be replacing this with the 5-lug rear end. After installing the 5-lug, we have our dual caliper brackets that we made. So we can install 2 calipers in the back. Alright, the interior is pretty messy. We're just going to clean all this up so we can work on the inside. Check that out. Almost there. Alright, what do you think, Miguel? You think we can get this thing running?
I think so, man. We just clean the interior. It looks better. Looks way better.
Looks way better. Alright, day what? What day is this, Miguel?
I don't even know what's
Dude, it's like day 7 or something. We couldn't work on it for 3 days.
We've been busy.
It's like frigging 8:29 right now, and we're about to start it. Okay.
Okay, so the problem that it was having wasn't idling. It was just running really rough. We didn't know what it was until we checked online. We saw that there was a little hose missing to the regulator, the fuel regulator.
That right there. It wasn't plugged in
Nope.
to back of the block, and it wasn't idling right. And then we found it, and we plugged it in. We're hoping this is it.
Here we go.
All right. Oh, dude, that was so. High five. Oh my god.
That was it. It was just that hose. So I read online that it actually didn't, like, if it doesn't have that hose, it won't let it open right.
Yeah. So when it's not plugged in, the what's it called? The fuel regulator, it's always closed, and it wasn't giving it fuel to idle. Now it freaking idles.
All right, what's next? Now we're just waiting for some parts.
No, we're gonna go drift just like this. We're ready.
All right,
Oh,
so
dude.
now we need to change the transmission on it. That's easy.
Oh yeah, manual. You can't drift on an automatic.
That's
Wait.
easy. Holy shit.
Dude, I'm excited. All right, y'all. What do you gotta say?
Stay tuned and watch this.